So I was driving through Ord, Nebraska, and I stopped into this small thrift store called the Second Hand Rose. First thing I found was this Raiders zebra print hat. It sells for 25 bucks. Found these corral boots, but they were way too expensive, 70 bucks. So I ended up passing on those. I went to the kitchen area and found this new sealed electric can opener. Looking in the case here, I spot this camera. I did a quick test of the shutter and I checked the battery compartment for corrosion. Older film cameras like this are usually worth looking up. Spent 25 bucks, I should be able to get around 150. Thanks for watching.